This is not an ordinary job. Inside this casting factory, life and fire exist side by side. At over 1300 degrees Celsius, molten iron flows like lava, shaping the manhole covers beneath our feet. But behind each cover is a story of sweat, heat, and risk. These hardworking men stand inches away from boiling metal, their clothes soaked in sweat, their bodies enduring unbearable heat. One wrong move could be deadly. Yet they do this every single day. No robots, no machines, just human strength and courage. Let's find out how manhole covers are made. The process begins here, where scrap iron is collected and broken down into smaller pieces. These pieces are then thrown into a furnace, where temperatures soar above 1300 degrees C. Inside the roaring flames, the solid iron melts into a glowing river of molten metal. Pattern and mold preparation. While the iron is melting, another team is busy preparing the molds. First, large-scale patterns are crafted, often from wood or aluminum, to replicate the exact design of the manhole cover. These patterns are made slightly oversized to compensate for metal shrinkage as the iron cools. The patterns are then placed inside flasks, the upper part called the cope, and the lower part called the drag. Next comes the green sand mixture, made of silica sand, clay, coal dust, and water. This damp sand is tightly packed around the pattern, forming a strong mold that can withstand the extreme heat of the molten iron. Pouring the molten iron. Once the molds are ready and the iron has fully melted, the real challenge begins. The workers carefully carry the molten iron and pour it into the prepared molds through a funnel-like system called sprues. The precision required here is incredible. One wrong move and the consequences can be dangerous. The molten iron flows through the channels, filling every corner of the mold to shape the manhole cover perfectly. Cooling and mold removal. After the pouring is complete, the molds are left to cool down naturally. Once cooled, the sand is carefully broken away, revealing the raw cast manhole covers. At this stage, the covers are rough and unfinished, with excess metal still attached. To give them a smooth finish, the castings go through grinding, shot blasting, and machining. Finally, every manhole cover is inspected for quality, ensuring strength, durability, and precise fitting. These covers are designed to withstand heavy loads and last for years on our roads. Next time you walk over a manhole cover, remember the hands that built it.